As you know, nouns are words that name things, living things, places, or ideas. Common nouns and proper nouns are the types of nouns. Common nouns name things, living things, places, or ideas that are generic. We do not know exactly which car, boy, city, or month we are referring to. Since these nouns are not naming anything specific, they do not need to start with a capital letter unless they begin a sentence. Proper nouns name specific things, living things, places, or ideas. We exactly know which car, boy, city, or month we are referring to. Since these nouns are naming specific things, they always begin with a capital letter. Proper nouns give special names to common nouns. Every proper noun has a common noun equivalent. However, not every common noun has a proper noun equivalent. As you know, there can be the indefinite article, the definite article, or no article before common nouns. As for proper nouns, there is usually no article before them. Sometimes, the definite article can be used with proper nouns. But there can never be the indefinite article before them.
Find common nouns and proper nouns. The common nouns are apple, dog, lake, fear. The proper nouns are apple, Rex, Monday, Italy. Find a common noun equivalent. Nissan is a car. Anna is a girl. Spain is a country. Friday is a day. Find a proper noun equivalent, if possible. No, proper noun, equivalent. For example, DiCaprio. For example, Chicago. No, proper noun, equivalent. Please, like this video and subscribe to the channel.